Hello and a very warm welcome to the highlights of the second T20 international between Pakistan and South Africa at the Qaddafi Stadium in Lahore. South Africa won the toss and they elected to field.
Starts with a sweep. What a smashing start this is. Rizwan is on song. It is not going to waste any moment, any time. Oh, that's close. Gone. It looked out. It looked out. There's that beautiful straight drive. No need to run for that one. Majestic, elegant, regal. Picked up. And found the man in the deep. Sprawling catch. Simpamla with a good one. Yeah, once you go full, you get punished. That was too full and smashed through the offside. Reverse sweep again, goes straight to the man. Shamsi with a wicket, second ball.
That's effective. Has it gone far enough? Though it has. He's got plenty on it. Really good strike. I thought he was done for a moment, Rizwan, but not to be.
Down the ground, just the single, brings up 50. First Pakistan opener scored 3 50s in a row in T20 internationals too. Rizwan, well played. Oh, that's high. Got underneath that. Who wants this one? This is not going to be easy to take in the fog. That is a blinder. David Miller, I think. It is an absolute blinder. Solid enough connection, but he should be out. He is out.
This time he goes big, goes long, maximum. A 6 to end the 17th. It's 1-1-1 for 5. Nick and gone. Outside off stump. And Khushdil departs. Beautiful bowling, the Yorker, 5 wickets. And what a way to get it with exemplary Yorker from round the wicket. Hit space off stump. Leg side. This will race away. Paim Ashraf ends the innings with a flourish. Pakistan get to 144.
Fast bowler here in Afridi.
Lucky, but earns him a 4. He can be quick and awkward, Shine Shah Afridi, with that in-swinging angle, and so a lucky boundary. Oh, bowled in, beautifully done. What a start by Shine Afridi, and Pakistan has done it again with that in-swinging slanted angle. On the pads into the gap once again, an easy boundary. It's not working, Haris Rauf's experiment. Chance, mid-off. Who needs a slip fielder?
Who needs one? What writer of his?
Big shot, heave over mid-on, 6. Gloriously done.
This is a quality cricket shot.
Catch it is the call. Who's going to go for it? Long on, takes it. Iftikhar, safe pair of hands.
Chance, yes. Turned the face of the bat too quickly. And Nawaz strikes. Is there some jitters in this camp?
Miller, down the ground, smash that a mile. That is 6 runs. That certainly hits the cause. And there it is. That's the winning shot. South Africa get up and win this second one. Nicely played by South Africa. Pakistan doing really well.